everybody, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit spur of the moment, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to do. I'm going to be doing a mini Sephora haul. I say mini because I don't remember how many things I ordered. I think it might have only been 3 or 4. But I do my makeup for fun, but I'm not like a beauty guru. But I still thought this would be kind of fun just to open on camera, I guess, because content. Yeah, I don't typically shop at Sephora. I normally shop at Ulta or online or even just, Target. But I had a gift card left over for my birthday in September, so I figured I would put it to good use and order some makeup. So that's what I did. So I'm gonna open it. I need to find something sharp or scissors, which is kind of why I've been looking around. I don't know if this is gonna work. And one of those little like loopy things that you use for like flipping your ponytail around. Okay, I'm gonna start with my 2 little samples. I know I picked these, but I didn't really read them when I bought them. So the first one is First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Remove surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. This is really cute, so that's the first sample. The second one I got is the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. I've heard good things about this brand, so I figured it'd be worth a shot. And then the first thing I actually got is the Sephora Honey Lip Scrub. I want to open it. I want to smell it. It doesn't necessarily smell like honey. It kind of smells like a glue stick. It doesn't feel that exfoliating yet. Hopefully once I use it some more it'll like work. The next thing I got is the Sephora, where's the name? Oh, Color Enhancing Lip Oil. I thought it wasn't listed on there. I was like, what? Oh, that's pretty. It's like almost a gloss. That'll be pretty for the days that I don't want to wear lipstick. And then the last thing I got was the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I figured this would be good to put on after I wash my face before I go to bed. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, that was like really, really damp. Well, yeah, that was pretty much everything. So probably not the most exciting video in the world, but I figured it'd be fun to do because I never really do unboxings anymore. So maybe I'll do this again the next time I order something, but actually be more fun because I won't be tired from work because my new job. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. I promise I don't always seem this exhausted during my videos. So